IoT or the Internet of Things is a network of physical devices, vehicle, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, Microsoft sensors, and connectivity that enable this to collect and exchange data. Advantage number 1. Convenience. You can control home devices like lights, thermostats, security from anywhere. Number 2. Saves time and energy. Smart devices adjust settings, reducing use energy and save money. Number 3. Better security and health monitoring. Smart cameras protect home and wearable devices protect health. Would they use IoT in daily life? Yes, many people already use IoT in daily life. Use likely to keep growing because number 1, IoT devices like smart devices, thermostat, lights, appliances can be controlled. Number 2, IoT devices like fitness and tracker smarts have people monitoring physical activities. IoT, good or bad for society? For me, depende sa gumagamit kasi ang IoT is ginagamit sa kabutihan, sa maganda, hindi sa mga kung ano-ano pa. Kaya depende sa gumagamit, like pag ginagamit mo sa search na di mo alam yung words, yung di mo alam yung meaning niya, ganon. Pero pag ginagamit mo to sa mga iba't ibang site, ganon, is hindi yun maganda, hindi yun good for people to use IoT. Like, gamitin mo sa maganda and sa mga di mo alam, like mag-search ka kung paano magluto, ganon. Example number 2 for good use IoT to society para mas malawak yung kalaman mo, tsaka mas madali na din yung mga gagawin mo. Like example, yung mga pagsindi ng ilaw, ganon, lights, tsaka good for security and sa mga CCTV, ganon. And para mas madali na din makahanap ng trabaho. And sa bad naman is, ang kapangitan lang nito is pwede kang ma-hack, ma-access nila kung nasaan ka, hack yung mga personal data mo, anon, and magdoble ingat lang. Kaya depende pa rin sa gagamit kung sa kanila kung good or bad to use IoT.